Okay, so we have teachers at a school. One of them's chosen at random, and the probability that this teacher is female is given as 3/5. And then we're told how many male teachers there are in the school. And we're asked to work out the total number of teachers at the school. So, well, there are lots of ways of doing this. Let's just go with an obvious one. If the probability of female is 3/5, the probability of male will be 2/5. Okay, so let's work with that. The probability of a male teacher is 2/5, and that's also equal to 36 out of the total number of teachers. So all we have to do is we have to work out the total. Now, if you like, this is a sort of a ratio. What I've done here, and this is not a very formal way of doing it, but I'm just going to say, how would I get from 2 to 36? Well, I'd multiply by 18. How would I get from 5 to the total, therefore? Well, it's the same fraction, so I must multiply by 18. So the total is 5 times 18. And all we have to do is do 5 times 18. Let's do that over here. To multiply by 5, I would multiply by 10. And then I would divide by 2. And 180 over 2 is 90, so we can say 18 times 5 is also 90. And that's the number of teachers. Okay, there are probably more mathematical, more formal ways of doing it, but we've just done that with a little bit of instinct. Well done us.